2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, keyless entry, power driver's seat, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, premium sound, fog lights, power windows, power door locks, clock, side airbag, tachometer, dual zone climate control, carpeted floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.